Yo guys, what's up? In this video I'm about to show you how you can create some fire dark samples for future. Also, I'll explain each step that I'll be working on, so make sure you watch the entire video to gather some cool tips and tricks for your beats, for the melodies and stuff like that. Also, I will upload this loop into Discord, so make sure you join Discord and get the loop. Okay, we can start. I didn't mention, but we are about to use three plugins. All plugins are from Spitfire. The first one is Labs, and the second one is BBC Symphony Orchestra, and we can start. First of all, I'm about to choose piano here. I think I already did, and I'm about to play some chords here for just piano. Maybe something like this. Maybe I'd go a little bit down with this. Okay, I think I'm going to go with this and just maybe do something like this. I think this sounds very, very cool for now. So let's do like this. Okay, maybe something, just keep it like this. And maybe just add a few notes here. Okay, let's just paste it here. Okay, I think this sounds very, very simple for now. Let's now play with the different plugin. It's called BBC Symphony Orchestra, and now we have violins here. Let's just click here. As you can see, it's from Spitfire, as I said. There's like some cool sounds from this VST, so let's use violin here. I can do something like this. I think this sounds very, very cool for now. Let's add one more sound here. I think I would like to add flute here, because these flutes sounds very, very good. Even if this is like a free plugin, this can deliver like a very, very high quality sound for your loops. Okay, about to use maybe now 1-3 steps here, and maybe add something like this. Okay, let's back switch to the 1/4 beat, and maybe make something like this. Okay, let's make this now 8-bar loop. I'm just going to copy paste everything here, just like this as well, and this flute as well. Maybe I can adjust this flute a little bit more. Yeah, exactly like this. Now let's split by channel everything and export each sound. Render it as audio clip, so you have like a more control of these sounds now. First of all, I'm about to make this piano more like a underwater effect. So I'm about just to open Edison here, right click here, and maybe go to the 3K. Make sure to click resample as always. Just click OK. Okay, great. Now just paste it here. We have now violins here. Okay, let's just see what we can do here. And we have a flute as well. Okay, I'm about to add effects on these sounds here, on violins here. Okay, where is okay? Okay, maybe if I can click reverse here, let's see what will happen if I pitch it down. Okay, maybe let's stretch it like this. Let's pitch it down again. Okay, I'm about to add halftime on this piano here. Oh, not this one. Let's just open gross beat. I'll go to the momentary, 1/2 step. Okay, now this is too much. Now let's maybe pitch it up. Let's see what we can do with the flute. I can just make flute the same, maybe just pitch it down or pitch it up. Let's just add reverb on this flute and maybe halftime. Maybe let's also add halftime here, like this. Okay, now I'm about to export everything now, like this, as a WAV file, and just click here. Let's just go to future loop, okay, like this. Let's wait. Okay, done. Let's go to the desktop, drag it here, and let's see what we got. So we got the loop now. Let's drag it to the channel rack 1, delete everything from channel rack 1, and now let's pitch it again or pitch it up. Maybe I want to pitch it up because we did a lot of pitch downs here. Maybe something like this. It sounds very, very good. Okay, not this. I just wanted to test it out. Okay, let's reset the time here. And now let's play some drums now. Very simple something. Let's just do this. So we have only this first 8-bar loop. Okay, now let's go to the drum kits. These are some of my favorites. Maybe this can sound like a snare, but we will see. Okay, now already sounds fire. Very, very good. Okay, now let's just copy the snares. In this case, we are just using percussion. Now let's just play with some hi-hat rolls here. Okay, let's go with the kick. Just boost it a little bit here. Okay, very simple. I'll just drag it here like this. Now let's use open heads here. Okay, This sounds very, very cool. Let's just drag it here as well. And now let's play with some 8/8s here. Oh, this one too hard. This one, okay, the best 8/8s. Very simple. Everyone using this one. Okay, let's just test it out here. Okay, C2. It's in tune. Great. Let's just cut itself. And now I'm about to copy the kick pattern here and paste it for the 8/8 pattern. About to add some counter snares here. Sounds very dope for me. And I think that's pretty much it for this beat. Let's just split by channel everything, export, and let's just make a little arrangement for this beat. And here we go. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beat and overall this video. Beat came out super fire, loop as well. So make sure you join our Discord. I'll upload this loop as well on Discord. And that's pretty much it. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to see you next video. Bye.